Updated bright and open ranch home on a large level private lot. Large family room with regency gas fireplace west/blower, open to updated kitchen with granite counters and tile backsplash. Newer flooring throughout. Formal dining. Split bedroom plan with a large master suite and tile-seated shower. All bedrooms are large. Spacious laundry room. Relax on the covered deck with fan that overlooks large private backyard. If you are looking for a ranch with land space, this is the one for you.